Hey guys, today we are making burger salad, hamburger salad, cheeseburger salad. I don't know. I'm so excited. I saw this recipe online. It's by this guy right here, so go check out his videos. I'm so excited to recreate this. So let's get started. I cannot wait. All right, so first we're gonna start by frying up a handful of French fries. I don't have an oven or anything yet, so I'm just cooking mine on the stove, but I would suggest like an air fryer, a stove, or like an oven. Let's cook those up. All right, so gonna start with some ground beef and fry that up. I'm using some light salt and soy sauce, and I'm also gonna put in some Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce for an extra kick, some chili flakes, sprinkle that on, and you have your ground beef, and it is so good. Okay, we're gonna start dicing up some things for our salad. So we're gonna cut up, well, you can do probably shredded cheese. I don't have shredded cheddar cheese, so we're gonna just start by cutting up some cheddar cheese. And we're also gonna dice up a tomato and pickles. So now that we got all of our condiments chopped up, or I guess our toppings, we're going to start with the sauce. For the dressing, we're going to put in a little bit of vinegar. So I'm just using a packet of McDonald's vinegar to give it the McDonald's vibe, am I right? And we're also going to use some ketchup. I probably should have used my McDonald's ketchup little packets. I haven't bought ketchup, I think, since I realized I could get it for free. So... It's been years. So we're gonna do some, maybe just 2 of those for now. We're gonna do a little bit of mayo. Relish. Oh, fuck. Never mind. We're gonna skip the relish because I can't open it. So we're gonna do a dash of pickle juice. Get that coriander out of there. And some mustard. We're gonna give that a good stir. There's our dressing. All right, we're gonna start the ensemble. So we're gonna start with our base. Any kind of lettuce you like. We're using some garden salad lettuce. Could maybe do a little more than that. It is up to you. We're gonna throw in our tomato, our onion, our cheese, pickles, we topped it with our burger, our sauce, and a layer of fries. Drizzle on that sauce one more time. And there we have it. Our cheeseburger bowl. Let's go take a bite. Okay guys, I'm a little nervous. I'm not sure how this is gonna taste, but let's go in. Cheers. I hope you guys make it, and if you do, please tag me. I'm too excited to eat, to talk. I'm gonna get a little bit of, maybe a little bit of everything in this bite. Okay. Okay. This might be my new favorite salad. I'm not just saying that. If this is like at least half the calories as a cheeseburger, or like something like, say a double quarter pounder meal that I'd get from McDonald's, which is this many calories. I don't know how many calories this is, but I don't think it's even close to that. I mean, it's not McDonald's by any means, but gosh darn, this is so good, you guys! Just like that guy in the video. I'm not just saying it. I second his opinion. I was a little sus. I was like, yeah, okay. A weight loss meal. Okay. Sure, it tastes good. That boy's on to something. Cheers to that guy. You guys gotta try this. Go watch his video. Go support him. I follow my recipe for the non-healthy version just because I didn't have Greek yogurt. I just used mayo. But you can use whatever you want. You can use sour cream. Wow, you guys. When he added the fries, I was like, no. I don't think that'll be good. I gotta slow down. That's all I gotta say. Wow. If you want to try my twist, I highly recommend it. This is fantastic! I give it a 10 out of 10. I am so impressed with this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, support my content, support my dream of reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next Food Friday video. Unless you can't wait till then watch this video right here, baby! I love you guys. Bye.